Now we learn about grouping tools. So they have option group. So you will get some option here like group, ungroup, and group edit, and they have group selection on off. So first of all, suppose you need to create some group with that materials, I mean these materials and these materials. So first of all, you have to select that two materials on which you want to apply your grouping system, or you want to create a group. Then just come here and click on that group. Otherwise, write G, then enter. When you will click, these two materials will make a group. If I click here, just see, they both have created a group. So by using different element, you can create some group. Actually, this is the alternative part of your block, but in group and block are almost same. They have only some little difference between them, that you will be able to insert your block, because your block will be saved in a safe storage, but the group will not save. If you delete group, you will delete everything, but if you delete a block from here, then you'll be able to reinsert that block from your insertion tools. This is the basic difference. Now if you check, you can check it here like that.